Hello everyone. Right now this is a 2019 Mazda 3. Get LED headlights. Keyless entry. Got blind spot monitoring with LED turn signal indicators. Here's what the sticker looks like. LED tail lights. This one is a Sky Active. Lock unlock. Got your mirror controls, window lock, and you also get the Bose audio system, which sounds great. Get storage, a cup holder, get a driver power seat with power lumbar. You also get your original Mazda 3 floor mats. Get an air vent right here. Over here, get your safety control, traction control off. Got your trunk release, 2-person memory, storage in here. Right here's your hood release. Get a manual tilting steering wheel. Right here is your headlight controls, wiper controls. Got your radio controls and your cruise control. Here's what the gauges look like. Get a console right there. Get your climate control. Get heated seats for both driver and passenger side. Right here is where you can start the vehicle. Get a USB port. Get some storage in there. 2 cup holders. Right here is the shifter. Get your different driving mode, your electronic parking brake, auto hold. Right here is your controller for your console right here. Get storage, the USB port, and a power outlet right here. Get auto dimming rearview mirror. Get LED lighting. Sunglasses container. And the seats are leather. They're very comfortable. They're also heated seats. As you can see, I got good leg room. Get 2 cup holders. Get LED lighting. Go ahead, pop out the trunk. Right here is where you can fold the seats down. Get a spare tire and jack storage. Everything falls through. Get a manual passenger seat. Got your owner's manual right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.